Hey guys, so quick video for you. Important things about the Xiaomi desktop speaker, like the reasons why we shouldn't get it. So first thing first, yes, it's well a lot of positive things. The design is great. You have dual channel auxiliary stereo effect, 4-unit acoustic configuration, multiple sound modes, integrated multi-use knob, immersive sound design, which is great. But the bass isn't deep enough. The bass sounds okay, but you can't get a satisfying deep bass from it. Not super loud. It's not as loud as some higher end speakers, so that's something to be aware of. Also, lighter build than expected. And that's like another thing to be aware of, that is like not that heavy, like 670 grams. And also another thing is that aux cable is not also included. And then you have like another thing, and that's that aux requires USB power first. So the aux wired connection requires the speaker to be powered on the USB before use. You can just like run it probably a 3.5mm cable. So important things. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, what you can actually like expect from the tool, and have a great day and goodbye.